how to change opening message of Tidio Live Chat on Shopify. So first, go to your your Tidio account. So for example, you've already installed the Tidio chatbot to your Shopify store. So in order for you to change the welcome message, you just need to go to your account and then just click on the settings here at the bottom left. Next is just scroll down and look for home, this one, under content. Now from here you can see a message here. So from here you can just change this welcome message here. So instead of you're back to our website, you can just tell them you're welcome back. Yeah, just like that. And you can ask us anything about us, as you can see, and that's it. You can already see what it would look like here, and you can just click on save and you're done. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.